Okay, so this one is another hole mount. It is a fly wing. It's the 5th one in this slide set. Just find it. There we go. Not in focus, but let's hope I can fix that. There we go. Not sure if the other ones weren't in focus or if they were, but yeah. It's lagging, unfortunately, but that is cool. Yeah. The main thing that I find interesting is the existence of those spikes along the edge. Like, if you compare this to the dragonfly wing we looked at a while back, and we'll probably look at again because it's in the set of slides I have. Sorry. Definitely a lot different because this one seems to still have the membrane, and it just seems to be like less spiky in the middle section and smaller spikes, but more of them, and they're smaller along the edge. I'm not sure what the purpose of those is, but it's interesting. Because the main thing is, the dragonfly wing looked like a rose bush, practically. Well, the stem of a rose, I guess. Would make more sense. Yeah, it's what it looked like. But this one actually looks like it would be a wing. Yeah. Sorry, it's lagging. It's very hard to control. Let me just... Should be somewhat better for a second. Okay, this is the entire wing. Like, this isn't like cross-section or anything. This is the entire wing. Hence why it's called a whole mount. There are some cross-sections I'll be getting, or not getting, using. But this is a whole mount. Huh. Yeah. Let me take a look. Where is the dragonfly wing? Sorry, again. Try not to do that, but... Oh, it's 9. Okay, so yeah, so 4 more after this. You'll be able to see the dragonfly wing again, but it's a different source, so it might look different. It might be a different wing, or it might be... Yeah. But it's kind of interesting, the connector section is interesting. Well, that added to the fact that you can see through the darn thing. Yeah, the connector section just looks... Just look at that. The question is, why are there 2 of the big ones, or 2 big versions of the spikes? I mean, right there. See? There's 2 big ones. I don't know why. I don't even know what the purpose of those is, but I don't know what the big ones are for. Oh, that hurt. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, darn. It's lagging again. But I'm not sure if I'm seeing that correctly, but I was like, look at the membrane area. See a whole bunch of little dots there? Interesting. You can actually see a texture on this. With the other one that I looked at, the dragonfly wing, way back when, I don't think there even was a membrane there. So I really couldn't see one, and there was no texture there. So I think it's just I think they just kind of tore it apart with that one. But this one, they managed to keep a good chunk of it together. It's good. Whoa. Oh, it broke right there. Huh. Let me try a thing real quick. We just... Oh, cool. Huh. Well, yeah. That is a fly wing. I'm pretty sure it's just a common housefly.